The 100 days of school isn't just another day on the calendar. For students, in their very first day of school, especially in foundation or prep, it's a huge milestone. It marks 100 days of learning how to learn, building friendships, gaining confidence, and becoming a real part of the classroom community. And it deserves to be celebrated with all the joy and colors we can bring in the classroom. Here are some of our favorite Twinkl resources to bring this day to life in your classroom. We're using the ultimate 100 days of school lower primary pack, and honestly, it's got everything you need and more. Let's take a closer look. Dress up as their 100-year-old selves. Ask questions like, what do you eat for breakfast when you're 100? Or, do you still have teeth? Let them answer in their best wobbly voices. Whether you bake together or decorate pre-made cupcakes, this is a fun way to incorporate counting, sharing, and teamwork. Try grouping toppings in tens or creating a class display with 100 candles. Ask each student to write something they've learned or loved during their first 100 days of school. Link them together to form a colorful classroom chain to display across the room. It's a meaningful visual celebration of growth and collective achievement. Give students catalog and ask them, what would you buy if you had $100? With these classroom activities, you're not just celebrating, you're building skills, confidence, and community. That's what makes the 100th day truly worth marking. The 100th day of school is more than just a celebration. It's a powerful opportunity to pause, reflect, and recognize just how far your students have come. With the right resources and little creative energy, you can make this milestone truly memorable for both your learners and yourself. Explore Twinkl's full range of 100 days resources to plan your own celebration.